Evelyn. This is a new vlog, and in this video I'm taking you with me on a quiet walk to the ocean here in Ireland. It's the end of 2025 and I'm trying to slow down and reflect. Even thought I know it might be a bit earlier to year-end thoughts, but the Christmas mood hasn't found me yet. So I'm just enjoying the ocean, fresh air and the calm moments of a day off. If you have any tips on how to bring back the Christmas spirit, please share them in the comments because I really need it. Actually, this video will be short, and in these days I just thinking about what I did actually this year, how to live next year, and how I want to, just feel myself in the next 2026. I have a lot of work now and I'm trying to keep myself busy, but this feeling when you keep yourself busy, you forgot about the moment when you need just refresh yourself. So if you are in the same mood, or if you are looking for some inspiration for the Christmas time of the year, leave a comment, and I will appreciate your all suggestions how to return a Christmas mood. And I hope that your weekends and your Christmas holidays will be great. Next week I will have a Christmas party of my little project with my little team, and I hope to catch few shots maybe from their party. Oh, and we will have Christmas concert this year, so to the end all the artistic projects this year. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope I will see you next one, and have a nice day, morning or evening. See ya!